Hello, hello, hello. Chilling in the car with Benji Peralt. Salut encore. Chilling in the car. So everybody's watching now. I would like you to go in the comment section and then say chilling in the car. Okay? Chilling in the car. Let's go. Jodi an, mwen bel parole pour. Son question et qui va venir à motivation par. Chilling in the car. Let's go. Qui sont pensés échec? What do you think about failure? Hein? Dis-moi. Vous pensez échec c'est un bagage qui pas bon? Ou bien vous pensez échec pas fait pour petit bon Dieu? Ou bien est-ce que échec pas ta fait pour même qui a gardé qu'on est là? Ou bien si vous échouez aujourd'hui, est-ce que c'est parce que ou pas fait pour gagner ou bien ou pas fait pour réussir dans la vie? So if you lose now, or if you get some failure, if it's not good for you, it is bad for you. Tell me. Don't you think you have to fail? Do you think like failure is not for like a godson or goddaughter or somebody's like living like you, or if you fail that means you're not good enough, or I don't know. Huh? Tell me. What I think is, beside you gonna put like some comment in the comment section, so to tell me exactly what you think about failure, or what by commenter ou dans côté commentaire hier, ou dire qui sont pensés à propos de l'échec. Let me tell you something. For me, failure lose its common sense. It's that happened in life, so you don't have any problem to fail today. You don't have any problem to fail tomorrow. Keep fail. That's not gonna change who you are. You fail today, you fail tomorrow. Let me tell you something. There is no losing. If you fail today, you fail yesterday, you fail tomorrow. You know what is it? This is a lesson. This is a lesson that you have to learn from it. This is a lesson that you have to take your notebook or your copybook to take note of it and to see exactly what's going on in the past what's going on in the past few days, what happened to make you stop and to feel your step. What happened, like qui ça qui arrive qui fait ou pas gagner, qui ça qui arrive qui faut pas réussir dans son affaire. C'est pas parce que son affaire a pas fait pour. C'est pas parce que son pas faire ou pas ou supposé faire son l'autre monde qui supposé faire, parce que si vous avez une vision, c'est qu'on faut capoter. If you have the vision, that means God hallow you to give it birth of it. Make it a reality. So don't worry about what happened today. Somebody said try more than 100 times to give you the electric lamp. 7-Up, try a lot of time before you can drink that drink without having some gas or like everything is stable by this drink. So parce qu'on peut dire une fois, vous pensez c'est la vie qui finit pour vous? Because you lose one time or you fail 1 or 3 times, this is not done for you. It's not over. You see what I mean? God hallow you to live that dream 100%. God wants you to be that person, carry that dream. Your future depends on this vision. So you have to step back and watch and tell yourself, hey, what's going on? What happened? I'm not gonna be discouraged. I'm not gonna let that go. You have to keep fighting till you reach that goal. You have to keep. I don't know what goal you are. I don't know what goal you have. Sorry, I don't know who you are. But you have to dream that dream. You have to live that dream. You have to reach your destination, your destiny. So keep it up. Don't lose faith. Okay? Don't lose faith. Kembe là. Recommencer. Sortez perdu là-dedans. Prends notre beaucoup. Gardez combien steps pour réussir. Parce que, ou pas dire nous commencer depuis le commencement perdu, non. Ça n'a pas fait sens. Gon nombre de steps que ou prend, gon nombre de steps qu'on commence à contrôler depuis dans 1 2 ou t'as supposé commencer à gagner 3 4 peut-être ou qu'a perdu. Gardez dans qui niveau tu es arrivé, dans qui niveau où y est. OK, pour qu'on ait qui limite où t'es balancé et puis qui bon pour recommencer. Parce qu'on va pas recommencer à zéro. So you have to check your notebook again. That's what I'm saying. Take your notebook and take note, and then to see exactly where you fell, and to start over. And then when you start over, you'll see where you fell, and then you get it, bro. You get it, girl. And reach that goal. Benji P.R. Chile.